To delete duplicates in Excel, start by selecting your data range. Click and drag across all the cells containing the values you want to check for duplicates, or click anywhere inside an Excel table if your data is already formatted that way. You'll see the selected cells highlighted with a border. Next, click on the Data tab in the ribbon. It's between Insert and Review. The Data ribbon opens, showing all your data tools. In the Data Tools group, click the Remove Duplicates button. The Remove Duplicates dialog box opens. Now you need to choose which columns Excel should check when identifying duplicates. You'll see a list of all your columns with checkboxes next to them. Check the boxes for any columns you want included in the duplicate check. If you want to select all columns at once, click Select All at the top. If you need to clear your selections, click Unselect All. Excel combines the values from all the columns you select to determine what counts as a duplicate. If 2 rows match in all those columns, one gets deleted. The entire row disappears, even if you didn't check every column. Once you've selected your columns, click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. Excel processes your data and shows you a message telling you exactly how many duplicate values were removed and how many unique values remain. Click OK on that message to close it and return to your worksheet. Here are a few things to keep in mind. This deletion is permanent, but you can press Ctrl-Z immediately if you need to undo it. Excel keeps the first occurrence of any duplicate and deletes the rest. Also, Excel bases its comparison on what actually appears in the cells, not any underlying formulas or hidden values. If you want to be extra safe, copy your original data to another worksheet before removing duplicates. You're done. Your duplicates are removed.